Hey D-Lab, I hear you wanted some Emmy time, so here's what I'm up to. I'm about to make my grandma and grandpa an egg sandwich. So, this is how I make it. First, I'm gonna make one egg at a time because I can only make one at a time because I like using this small pan. It's just easier for me. So I'm gonna turn it up a little. I need to crack the egg. Put it on. Gonna go throw it away. And some raspberries. All right. Toast time. Now, I have to make 4 things of toast because I'm making one for my grandma too. Oh, looks like it's already open. Over here. To here. And to here. They're both on 3. Perfect. Let's put the wrap back on. They never use this anyways. Back to our egg situation over here. I'm pretty sure, I think it's time to flip it. Use the fork one more time, then I'll flip it. Yep. All right. Uh-oh. The egg popped. So I was right. It did pop. That's too bad. It's alright. I should probably put away the fruits. Alright. I'll turn the video back on when it's time to put it on the sandwich. Alright. I think it's time to put the egg on the sandwich. And ta-da! My beautiful egg sandwich that is made for Grandma and Grandpa. We still have one more to go. One down, one to go. Let's see, this purple. Egg number 2. I think it's time to use the flipper.
That's okay.
Uh-oh. Do you not want to be useful today? I don't know what's going on. There we go. All right.
You'll survive, dog.
The egg wasn't pop? Never mind. I think you did. But that's fine too. I think it's time to put it on the sandwich. Hot. Sandwich number 2, ready to go. I think it's serving time. Breakfast to serve.
Look at that.
Wow,
So-
that looks nice.
Question is which sandwich is better? Because that way I can kind of rotate the pan. I get the better choice.
Well, this is
I don't know.
mine. So
Well,
this
that's
is
too
the better
bad.
sandwich.
Rito.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yummy. Looks
Excellent.
good.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your drink, ma'am.
Thank you, waitress. I appreciate it very much.
You're very welcome.
Hey, how much is this going to cost me, by the way?
You'll see on your receipt.
What's she doing with those logos?
All right, this is table number 1.
Uh-huh.
Here's the receipt.
Whoa, wait a minute. Wait a minute. A receipt? You mean I owe you for this?
Well, duh.
Well, I thought it was free. Well, okay, whatever. Do you take the C card?
C is for cookie. That's good enough for me.
Excellent.
All right. Here you go, sir.
Oh, you processed the card?
Yes, I did.
You didn't put a tip on there, did you?
Oh, no, don't worry. I didn't.
Good, 'cause I got a tip for you. Don't charge your grandpa money for meals.
Oh, sure. Why not? Fill out this,
Yeah.
please, here and here.
Righto. I put my X on it. X marks the spot, right?
Right, but you also need to sign your name.
I did.
Sir.
X.
That is not your name. Sign your name.
How's that?
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
Mm-hmm.